In this video I will show you some library classes. It will help you to make huge programs easily. I hope that you are following all the parts of this series. If you missed any, check the I button. At first, create a new class. Before beginning the library class, let me show you how to input a string from the user. For taking input, declare util package and all the necessary things till scanner class. Now print a message for the user to input a string. First, declare string data type and use a variable name. I will use str as the variable name. For taking input a string, we use sc.nextLine, and the L of line will be in uppercase. Now we have stored the string in str. Let's check it. For that we need to print the sentence. For now, compile and close. Always remember that for taking any string input, use sc.nextLine. Let's check the program with two different strings. Our program is working well. The program printed exactly the same string, but with a message. Let's check it again. The program printed exactly the same string, but with a message. Let's begin with the first part of library class. I will show you total of 6 parts in this video. The function of charAt is to find the character present in any index number. Let me first type the statement. To find the character, first install the variable that holds the sentence, then use the function, and enter the index number. In this case I have used 1 as index number. Every character of a sentence has some index values. I will find the character present in 1. After the charAt function, let's print the character with a message. This program will print the character present in the index of 1, present in the string entered in str. For simple understanding, enter alphabets from A to F. The character B has the index of 1, so it got printed. Let's do something that the user will decide the index number. For that we need to have an integer number taken from the user. Let's take a number from the user and store it in num. I hope that you know the process of taking an integer number. I have shown this in this series previously. Instead of 1, put the variable name. At first enter a sentence or word. Then enter the value of index number. Let's enter 4. It will give out O from the word hello, because O has the index value of 4. Let's see what will happen with 5. The space between hello and world has the index value of 5. The second part is to compare between two strings. Each character has a ASCII code. The compare2 function uses this ASCII numbers to compare between two strings. First, take a second string from the user using the same method, but the variable names cannot be the same. Now we need an integer variable which will hold the value. The difference between two strings ASCII numbers will be stored in this. As before, first install the name of first string, then the function. And inside the brackets enter the name of second string variable just as shown. To see the difference, print the value. Compile and close. Enter toString to see the difference. The ASCII difference between lowercase and uppercase of A is 32. Let's do it again. If we enter same word, then the difference will be 0. What happen if we enter two different strings of same word? It will still show some values. It refer that both are different. The function of concat is to join two different strings. We already have two strings stored in str and str2. For finding the third string, which is actually the joint of str and str2, at first create a new variable which will save the new one, then use the concat function as shown in the video. After joining, print the new variable. Compile and close. Let's separate each works. Now we need to enter two words or sentence. So it merge both the words into a new word. Camp was the first string, and uter is the second. Let's do it again. Enter know at first, and ledger second. Both formed the word knowledge. The function of ends with is to compare the second string is present at the end of the first one or not. But this return the value in true or false. So we need a Boolean data type. A Boolean data type only has two values, either true or false. Let's name the variable name to flag. And then use the function in the same manner as we did before. Now print the variable flag. It will either print true or false. True refer that the function found same word or letter at the end of the previous string. Compile and close. At first enter the main sentence. In the second one enter the word or the letter which will be searched. We have the word world at the end. Let's enter world. As the function found the word at the end, it printed true. Let's do the same, but this time with a single letter. As the function found D in the end, it printed true. Let's make it false. You can see that, even if a single change in character caused the statement to be false. As we have seen, the compare to function returned the difference between two strings. This equals function does the same, but it returned the difference in true or false. In some program we don't require the difference in values, so there we can use this equals function. As this return in true or false, we can use this in if-else statements. We use this function in the exact same manner as we did in all before. Now print the value. Compile and close. Enter two strings. Let's enter hello and world respectively. Both are two completely different words, so the Boolean value showed up to false. Let's enter same word, but with different cases. Even if the words are same, the H is different, so it printed false. The true statement will only occur when both the strings are exactly same. This function compared to strings, but ignores the case. If both the strings are same, but the case are different, it will show true. It returns Boolean values. I hope that you have got the idea how to work with two strings using any function. Now print the value. Compile and close. Enter two strings with different cases. Even if the cases are different, it showed up true, because the string is same. As the string is same, the cases are ignored again. In the next video I will show the another 6 parts of library class. If you liked this video, please subscribe. If you found any problem while understanding this video, please let me know in the comment section.